Hey guys, Crypto Clay here, and I wanted to give you guys a quick fireside chat to discuss updates on where the DAO is at, where we plan to be in even a week from now, and what we're doing to move forward. So today I had a really good chat with a lawyer who is going to help us make sure that we stay within the legal bounds of the law and that everything that we're doing is checking out, basically. We want to make sure that we're not breaking any securities laws with the SEC and that the launch is free and fair as well. So I spoke in length today with the lawyer about that, and we should have something drafted up by Saturday or Sunday that I feel comfortable with sharing with you guys. But until that point, we're just gonna keep rolling along. I hired a artist or three to work on some logos for us. One of our community members actually made a awesome GIF and it looks incredible, and it's posted in the Discord server right now. It's got the brain firing neurons, and it's got the Cerebral Gaming DAO on it with pixel letters, so it looks really cool. I'm really excited about that. I have a buddy of mine working on the marketing side, also getting some artwork done, and he and I are going to be focusing our efforts on making a full customized roadmap to display to all of you guys as soon as possible. We have a vision of exactly what we want to do, but we want to be able to put that down on paper and show you guys in a roadmap exactly what it is that we're trying to achieve, because as investors, I feel like it's important that you know every step of the way. However, that being said, things are definitely able to change over time. Considering this is a decentralized autonomous organization, we are allowed to make proposals and take votes on whatever it is that we decide to do. So I'm really looking forward to that aspect as well. I've always stressed decentralization, and there are some networks that are more decentralized than others in the crypto space, but I think that this organization is going to be incredible because we're doing something that a lot of other projects aren't willing to do, and that's allowing pretty much anybody to get invested in a project like this, because we're setting the starting cost very low so that anyone and everyone can take part in the governance token. That's what we want. We want everybody in the community to be a part of this. And so I encourage you guys to reach out to your friends and family and get them involved. Anybody that you know on Twitter. We want to make this as grassroots as possible because it's very difficult to market in the crypto space because tech giants like Facebook and Twitter and things like that don't allow you to advertise. And so we're really looking for you guys to get out there and start telling people about what it is that we're trying to build. That being said, don't get too crazy with it. Like, don't make promises that we can't keep. Don't do anything like that. Don't make this appear like a scam, because it's not that. We're trying to build something real. We're trying to build something organic. So please, I apologize about that, guys. My husky is very talkative. Millie, no. But Where was I at? Sorry about that, guys. We just want to make sure that we're building the most legitimate and organic platform possible because our end goal is to invest in as many of these startups as possible, specifically gaming. We want to get involved heavily in crypto gaming because I really feel, and a lot of other people feel, like this is going to be the industry that really takes off in 2022. And so, with that being said, I want to wrap up. I know I'm at about like 6 minutes here, so I said it'd be short, but you know how it goes sometimes. But that's where I want to leave it for today. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't already subscribed to this new channel, please hit that subscribe button so that we can start growing our audience here on the YouTube algorithm. That's going to be it for today. Crypto Clay out.